time, let's take us through the game again. We said that the top para-paraan para makabot sa playoffs. Our game was close and tight all the way, Dr. J.
Well, James Yap really played very well in the beginning. Minsan masyadong matagal rin napapahinga ito dahil medyo napapagbigyan rin yung mga iba na yan. But then what a quarter here, Sting also really came through off the bench. At lumamang pa yung tatlong Alaska.
What a game, comeback game for Teng, who missed that last game in San Miguel.
Yan, katulad nun, no? In that ball, di presana si ano, pero they went and naka-score pa. Dakiwag also had a very good first half. Tapos dito si JB Casio, yan na naman si Teng.
And this was that kind of game where there were contributions from
everywhere.
Almost everywhere.
Everywhere. Huh? And it was just a 2-point game. Remember, beat the buzzer yung tira ng Alaska doon, follow-up.
Third quarter.
That turned out to be the game. Ito, si Belga, nagwala dito sa third quarter.
Barilan ito eh, no? Ito yung Alaska
ito yung follow-up. Ito yung pagkakuha no, naka-counted pa eh.
So 72-70, tatablayan sa 72. Tapos ito, both teams had runs in the fourth quarter.
Oh, lumayo na dito ang Alaska. Alam mo, tapos na eh. Pero si Amici on a one-man stand there, bringing them back into the ball game.
Lumamang ng 8.
There's a good shot there. That was a good shot by James Shaw.
Actually, ang daming open looks eh. No, ito, nakaldag si JB Casio who had a triple-double tonight. Yung rebound, solo pa yung rebound niya, no? Nung yung huling...
he had 9 defensive rebounds of the 10. Only 1 offensive rebound.
Right, these are loyal Alaska fans. And this
ito, ang ganda ng balik ni Belga dito.
Yun.
Libre.
May chance yun, eh, no? Tatabla sana yun, eh, no?
Yeah. At yun, tatapik na naman ni Casio yun, kundi makukuha yung rebound ng rain or shine.
And Casio finally putting the final free throw in the bag to make it a 4-point win at the end, 99-95.